everyone, this is Juan and I'm Alice. Before we start our speech, we should first see the picture. The movie A Beautiful Mind is a really famous movie, and this movie main characters are schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental disease, and it is also one of our topics today. Jen, would you please give us an overview about this disease?
And today we will introduce two mental diseases. They are generalized anxiety disorder and schizophrenia. Today, generalized anxiety disorder is called GAD, which is a chronic anxiety disease. It is always show anxiety, depression, and schizophrenia is a kind of very serious mental illness. And most of patients are adults and young people. We will introduce these two diseases from prevalence, symptoms, causes, and treatment. Shi will first tell you the GAD prevalence.
According to the survey, GAD affects 3.1% American adults aged from 18 years old and older in a given year. And in addition, women twice as much as men about this disease. And John will give us symptoms about GAD.
There are three main symptoms of GAD patients. The first is anxiety and worry. The patients always worried about their future. It seems unfortunate things will come in there. And they will worried about upset all the day. And the second is movement of anxiety. The patients of GAD always unable to sit for a long time, and their fingers and facial muscles will tremor. And they also show some physical performance like headache, stomach, and they can't sleep well. They will have some nightmare. Shen will introduce the causes of GAD.
There are mainly two causes of GAD. The first one is family history of disorder. This means if there is a GAD gene in your family, this might be passed on in your families. And the second is substance abuse, such as long-time use of alcohol and tobacco and smoking, and also the caffeine usage is also have effect on GAD. And Jen will give us the treatments about GAD.
GAD have two treatments. The first is drug treatment, but it requires you eat medicine for 3 to 5 years. The second treatment is the psychotherapy. You can find a physiologist and or do some relaxing activities like go outside or listening music. Shinyi, can you tell the prevalence of schizophrenia?
Schizophrenia is a mental disease, and at any one time there are 51 million people worldwide suffer from this illness. And this take a count in rate about 0.5% to 1% of population. Jen, do you know the symptoms of schizophrenia?
Yes, there are 4 symptoms of schizophrenia patients. The first is mental disorder. Patients may like to see the imaginary pictures or hear imaginary voice. The second is thought disorder. They always think someone will kill them, and they feel scared. The third is affective disorder. They always feel anxiety, upset, and depression. And the last is behavior disorder. They don't like to join any activities, and they like stay alone. They lose interest in their life, like study or work. They don't have intention about their future. And Shen Yi will tell you the causes of schizophrenia.
As well as GAD, schizophrenia is also a genetic mental disease. Their gene, according to the study, if your parents both are schizophrenia, their children will have 46.3% chance to get this disease. And if only one parent has this disease, their children will still have 16.7% to have this disease. So gene play an important role in this disease. And the environment also can affect this disease. Social effects such as racial discrimination and immigration will have effect on this disease. And stressful life events is also an important cause of schizophrenia. And Juan will tell us about the treatments of schizophrenia.
The best treatment of schizophrenia is drug therapy, but it requires you eat enough medicine and for many times. You must treat earlier. But however, about 10% to 30% of patients feel ineffective after the drug treatment. Shi, can you give us a conclusion about our presentation?
After discovering these two diseases, we have a conclusion. All we can say is suggestion. And the first, hold a positive attitude. As if you want to go away from mental disease, you will hold a positive attitude. And if you feel anxiety, please consult a psychologist. It's helpful to you. And second, take good care of yourself. You should have enough sleep, health, eating, and physical activities. Of course, you should maintain a regular schedule of your life. We believe if you follow these two suggestions, these suggestions can prevent you from mental disease.
This is our reference website, and thank you for your listening.